To One Touch. This is a new model OT600. It's got multiple ways of unlocking: face recognition, biometric card, mechanical key, and Bluetooth for the resident. The finish can be multiple available. So let's check the multiple ways of unlocking. One is face recognition. Using face recognition, the door was unlocked. Next is biometric. So using biometric, it was unlocked. Next is RF card. So this was unlocked. Next is password. And the door is unlocked. It has got a very strong mortise over here. It's 606 mortise. It's stainless steel 304 anti-rust. It's got child lock facility also. It's got tamper alarm. So anyone trying to open the door will raise an alarm. So these are all the functions of OT600.